Hi, my name is Mesha Franklin, and I'm teaching second grade math, and my student has a visually impaired
All right,
disability.
class, we are going to be learning how to solve word problems using addition and subtraction. What's so funny? All right. We in here for business, not playing. All right, so we all know how to solve a math problem like this. Correct? Correct?
Going into my head, though.
Okay, tell me
Okay.
what this is.
1 plus 2 equals 3.
Right, so I'm going to teach you how to solve a word problem in its written out form. So we're gonna do,
Which page?
no, I'm just explaining first, before we get to the activity, so you can push that aside.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna give you a scenario. And your information, because I know you have a visually impaired disability, your paper is larger, so you can see that, right?
I allow Cap.
Okay. So, we'll give you a scenario. This is our example. I am going to the local zoo and I am planning to bring 3 students with me. 2 more students want to join us. How many students are going with us to the zoo?
6.
Let's talk about this. Y'all can write on the back now, just use an empty paper. We're gonna talk about this.
Okay.
So, I said, okay, let's,
3 plus 2 is 6.
hold on, let's talk about this.
What you talking about?
Listen, I'm gonna have to start doing tallies because we're supposed to be paying attention. Okay, so I just said I am going to the local zoo and I am planning to bring with me 3 students. So write 3 down. On the back of our paper, just anywhere. I'm planning to bring back your paper, yeah. 3 students with me. Okay, so then, I'm sorry, 2 more. Two more students want to join us, so we're going to add 2, because 2 more are coming along, right?
Right.
All right. So with our previous knowledge of addition, 3 plus 2 equals what?
5.
All right, Ms. Kraft, 5. So we are going to learn how to break down and assess word problems. We are going to learn how to break down these word problems. And people think word problems are scary, but they're really not. You just have to pull the numbers out of them and apply your already knowledge to solve a problem. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take out our paper that says solving multi-step addition. Everybody get that paper, please? Got your papers ready? All right. So, we're gonna read it. It says, solving multi-step addition problems using a number line. A number line can be a helpful tool when solving multi-step problems. Read the problem below and follow the steps to solve the problem using the number line. All right, we all listening? Okay, Benji left the classroom and walked down the hall 16 meters to Mr. Martin's class. Then he walked from Mr. Martin's class to Miss Beasley's class 13 meters further down the hall. After visiting Miss Beasley's class, Benji traveled 17 more meters down the hall to the cafeteria for lunch. How far?
Why do you travel so far?
Miss Kraft, please. How far is Benji's classroom from the cafeteria? All right, this is an example to show how we're gonna work this out. To solve the problem using the number line, you start at 0. Everybody get their pen and start at 0. Do you have somewhere to be?
Those, my teacher emailed me.
Oh, she got an Apple Watch.
I'm sorry.
All right, we gonna all start at 0. Okay, which is, as the example says, Benji's classroom. We're starting at 0.0. Then, you see where we go? To solve the problem using the number line, you start at 0, which is Benji's classroom, and draw an arrow landing on 16 to show the 16 meters that Benji traveled to get to Mr. Martin's classroom. So that is our next point. Do you get 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got the 16. All right,
Alright.
next. After he went there, he went somewhere else, right?
Mhm.
All right, next, count 13 more spaces on the number line and draw an arrow from 16 to that spot, which is Mrs. Beasley's classroom. So count 16. If you have to do it dot by dot, you know, you can do that.
1,
If
2, 3, 4, 5,
This
6,
is 13.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Not 6.
11, 12,
Excuse me,
13.
I'm sorry.
Wait.
So it's 29
Good job. Okay,
meters
so far, because he went somewhere else, right?
to Miss Beasley's class.
No, go somewhere after that.
No, I'm saying 29 meters.
Yes,
to Miss
yes,
Beasley's class.
yeah, so that's his second stop. After that, finally, we count 17 more spaces down the number line and draw an arrow to Benji's final destination, which is the cafeteria. Let me know when y'all get there.
It's 46 meters.
46,
She always be adding the extra one.
Oh,
Look, listen. Okay. Hold on, okay, so let's talk about this.
Oh, serious?
Okay. All right.
I missed the number one she was calling.
So, when we go back to this, our word problem, you can just pull out the numbers. Because it was all, after we read it, it was all, he kept going to, meaning he kept adding more meters. So, 16 meters plus 13 meters plus 17 meters equals how many meters? Anybody?
45.
All right, so
What's 29 plus 17?
it's 16 plus 13 plus 17. Don't do that with my business, just leave it like that.
Hold up.
Leave it. It's 46.
Yeah.
Yeah, 16.
Okay, well, excuse
29
me,
Plus,
my lesson plan has a typo. I apologize.
that's 46. Yeah.
I apologize.
And you talking about I'm counting the extra number?
Hey, I'm following with the paper.
Look, listen, okay, I'm sorry, the lesson plan has,
Oh, you bet. I ain't gonna say anything.
your recess is gone. I don't need no more about it. That's done. All right. So, anybody else want to have an outburst?
I'm gonna stop playing if I get
Okay. All right. Let's be serious on to this math, like seriously. So basically, doesn't this math problem look just like what we normally do? Once we broke it down, after we assessed our word problem, doesn't this look like a normal addition problem that we do all the time, right? Not that scary. Okay, so we're gonna do this on our own. I'm gonna read it out loud. The Rogers family is going on a short trip. They leave their house and travel 22 minutes and stop to eat breakfast. They get back in their car and travel another 16 miles to a rest stop. Then they travel another 12 miles to go to the zoo. How many miles did the Rogers family drive to get to the zoo? Yes.
So we doing 12 plus 22 plus 16?
Yes, so we can set it up, and you're gonna write your number sentence in that space. And if that helps you, you wanna do that first, then you can do the number line, however helps you first. Like, so you would do, okay, the 22, and then they got back in the car, and then another 6, so 22 plus 16 plus 20.
Oh, that's how we write this out?
In there, and then you do the number line, and then you get your answer right there,
Oh.
yes.
Can I get my recess back?
No, cause you still talking.
Too bad you're not the teacher.
Please,
You
any-
wanna fight me.
Justin.
I was just playing, man. I'm working on my
Justin,
problem. I'm already.
I'm taking
working.
10 minutes. We
No.
don't threaten people in here.
How you take 10 minutes? You
And
took
you
my
have
whole
a-
recess.
Because you banging on my desk.
I'm
Cause
just
he told
playing.
me I was wrong.
I wasn't
I'm
really
calling you,
gonna
mom.
fight
Can
you.
y'all Please,
All right,
please,
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
please.
Back to you.
What is, we're looking for the answer. The Rogers family went on a short trip. Please, please. Who? All right, let me know if somebody has the answer.
I got it.
Can I hear from somebody else?
I got 50 miles to the zoo.
You've got 50 miles to the zoo. Okay. Could you explain how you got that?
Yes, ma'am. So I started at 0.
Mhm.
They left their house, they went 22 miles. So
Right.
that was my first stop.
Right.
Then they went 16 more miles to a rest stop, so I added 16 and got to 38.
Right.
Then they traveled another 12 to get to the zoo, and 38 plus 12 is 50, so 50 miles to get to the zoo.
Correct. You get extra points in this assignment. Let's do the next one. Miss Crab, would you like to read? Try to get your recess back.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
John is building a fence. The first hour, he built a 14-foot section of fence. The second hour, he built a 23-foot section of fence. The third hour, he built a 23 section, I'm sorry, for the second hour. And then the third hour, he
Girl,
built
what you
a
reading?
20.
Oh, she's reading the second.
It don't say nothing like that
The
on
third hour, he built a 20-foot section of fence.
That's
How long was the fence that John built in 3 hours?
all right. Let's solve for that.
Miss Franklin, they laughed at me.
And y'all should not laugh at anybody. Because y'all would not want anybody laughing at y'all.
You know that would be funny, bro. Alright.
Okay. So,
So to set that problem up, okay.
so to set the problem up,
We're gonna do 14
go ahead, Miss
plus
Crab.
20 plus 23.
Right.
And it's gonna give you your answer for 3
And
hours.
then, yes, and then you're going to chart it on your number line. So, does somebody else have the answer?
Miss Crab.
You've done good. I want to hear from somebody else.
I got 58.
You got 58? All right. You want to explain how you got that? So everybody has a clear understanding.
Yes, I like.
Okay, I started off at 14, and then I went to 23, and I got 38, and then I added 20 more, and got 58.
And you got 58.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And if you guys can't add it up like this, of course we can make it the long way, like we initially learned. So you can do 14, bless you, 14 plus 23,
It's 57.
20.
Yeah, it's 57. You did it on purpose.
No, I didn't
Let's work this out together since there's some confusion.
4
She
plus
just
3
added 4
is
plus
7.
3, she got 8 instead of 7.
Okay, so this is 7. Look, so 4 plus 3 is 7.
Uh-huh. The
Right.
0 don't matter.
The 0, right. You can see this. Your
Yes,
mama
ma'am.
took you to the doctor, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
What are you trying to say? What you
I'm
mean?
gonna call up. Listen. Okay, so that's 7.
I'm all right with me.
All right. So this is simple math. You don't have to carry anything over. So this is 7.
She know I can see.
That's not what the IEP says.
You're not supposed to tell my business.
Just 2 plus 2 is 4. Add another one.
5.
What's our answer?
57.
57.
All right. So it's 57 feet long.
How much time?
I get bonus.
How much time?
14.25.
Well, okay. So we're going to do an assessment. Pull out your carnival count sheet.
Oh, this my sheet? Oh, this your sheet.
Okay. Everybody get their carnival count sheet. Okay? Mark sold 14 pink cotton candies and and 23 blue cotton candies. How many cotton candies did he sell total?
What the line for?
They just want a written out answer, but you know.
Okay.
37 cotton candy,
Good, Miss Kraft.
cotton candies and pink. Oh, cotton
So-
candies in general.
Yes, total. Yes. Yes, that's correct. Anybody else get a different answer that we need to explain? Everybody got the same answer? We all on the same page? All right. It was a hot day and many people bought ice cream cones at the fair. Mark sold 18 vanilla flavored cones, 15 strawberry cones, and 21 chocolate flavored cones. How many cones did he sell total? We all know how to set this problem up because it's involving 3 numbers this time and not 2.
Mhm.
Okay. Everybody got their answer? Okay. At the beginning of the day, Mark had 63 pretzels, but by the end of the day, he only had 18. How many did he sell? So this one's different. This problem is not addition. I'll just let y'all know this is subtraction. Right, Mr. Justin? Okay. Y'all done with that one? When Mark wasn't busy helping customers, he gave away balloons to visitors. Mark gave away 8 neon pink balloons, 11 forest green balloons, 24 jumbo purple balloons, and 5 sky blue metallic balloons. How many balloons did he give away?
48.
Thank you. Everybody got that answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mark had 57 fun pack tickets. At the end of the day, he only had 9. How many did he sell? This is another subtraction problem.
48.
All right. And that's gonna conclude our lesson on word problems with addition and subtraction. Do we all have a clear understanding? Do we need to go over anything? Does everybody understand how we break down and assess word problems?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.